Everyone, myself Rohita Jangid, lecturer in chemistry from Sanskar Science Academy, Gudagorji. Today we are going to learn some another method of a alcohol formation. In last class we already discussed about the a preparation of alcohol from alkene, from carbonyl compound, from haloalkene, and one important reaction. This reaction not mention your notes. So I will already discuss about the hydroboronation oxidation reaction. What is the hydroboronation oxidation reaction? Then definition is if a reaction of a alkene molecule with the half molecule of diborane, then trialkyl borane will form. Trialkyl borane will form, and trialkyl borane reacts with the hydrogen peroxide in presence of basic medium. Then 3 molecule of alcohol will form and one byproduct boric acid will form. I already explained you boric acid structure like a needle like structure. Okay बेटा, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो अपना है प्रिपरेशन मेथड में, उसका मैं नेमिंग दे रहा हूं यहां पे फ्रॉम मर्क्यूरेशन डीमर्क्यूरेशन, demercuration of a alkene molecule. In this reaction of alkene with mercuric acetate, then a product or intermediate will form. This intermediate reduced in presence of sodium borohydride. In presence of sodium borohydride, we know sodium borohydride is a reductant. So in this reaction, this intermediate reduced in presence of sodium borohydride, then a intermediate reduced in a which molecule? Alcohol molecule. It's called mercuration demercuration. In this reaction, before the intermediate or in this reaction before the product formation, mercury atom will attached, but after the complete reaction, demercuration means mercury will remove from there. So this reaction called mercuration demercuration reaction. Now chemical equation or chemical reaction of mercuration demercuration. CH3 CH double bond CH2, alkene molecule, and name of this alkene is propene. So reaction of propene with mercuric acetate, mercury Hg present in a 12th block in periodic table. Mercury is a D block element. We know which elements are D block. Then definition is if a electronic configuration of any element, like a zinc metal have 30 atomic number, and last electron of zinc metal is filled in a D sub cell or D cell. Then Hg, just a zinc, cadmium, mercury present in 12th group. so these are called d block element, and last electron fill in a d subcell, so it's called d block element. And same phenomena for cadmium and same for mercury. A specific feature for a mercury, zinc, cadmium, last cell or last subcell fulfill. So minimum valency and maximum valency both are same for 12th block group. Zinc have already +2 oxidation, it's a minimum and it's also maximum oxidation number. For example, salt of zinc, zinc chloride, zinc sulfate, zinc bromide, all example have oxidation number of zinc is +2. Oxidation of zinc is +2. Man, mercury have always shows only +2 oxidation number. In this compound, mercuric acetate, CS3COOHG, OOCCS3, it's a mercuric acetate molecule. Due to bond cleavage, COO have negative charge and Hg have positive charge. Why? We already know Hg is metal and oxygen is non-metal. Metal have always a positivity or metal have always deficiency of electron, but non-metal have maybe efficiency or maybe deficiency. It's depend upon comparing. It's depend upon attached element. So Hg have positive charge, oxygen have negative charge. Now in propene molecule, due to MKR effect, pi bond electron transfer from less En element to more En element, it's electromeric effect. But in this condition, according to MKR effect, pi bond electron transfer from second carbon to third carbon. Why? According to Markovnikov rule, always a more stable carbocation will form. So this pi bond electron transfer from second to third carbon. These have deficiency center and it's a efficiency center. In this molecule, oxygen have negative, Hg have positive. Always opposite charge attached to each other. CH3, CH, CH2, CH have acetate molecule because CH have deficiency center, positive charge, positive attract by negative charge. O, O, C, CH3, and this carbon attached with Hg, O, O, C, CH3. It's an intermediate. Now this intermediate reduced in presence of sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride provide the hydrogen for any intermediate or any reactant. Now this Hg and this carbon, we know Hg metal and carbon non-metal. Due to bond cleavage, Hg have positive and C have negative. This remove from here and CH2 attached with the hydrogen and hydrogen provided by reductant. So CH3, CH, CH3. And CH3COO also attached with hydrogen and this hydrogen also provided by sodium borohydride. So CH3COOH, CH3COO and one hydrogen provided by NaBH4, acetic acid. Here one hydrogen provided by sodium borohydride, then also hydrogen. Now CH3COOH, CH3COOHG and CH3COOHG also convert in CH3COOH and Hg will remove from here. In this reaction, two molecule of acetic acid will form. CH3COO, one hydrogen provided by NaBH4. In CH3COO, one hydrogen provided by also NaBH4. Then two molecule of acetic acid, one Hg molecule also remove from here. Now it's not alcohol. So in this reaction with NaBH4, one molecule of H2O also require. H2O also require. So H2O break down in H plus OH minus. OH minus attached with CH. Why CH attached with OH? Due to MKR effect, CH have positive and here OH negative. One hydrogen, फोकस करना एक बार इसको बात को, वन हाइड्रोजन एटम फ्रॉम H फ्रॉम water may be attached with this carbon and may be attached with CH3COO. CH3COOH, CH3COOH 2 हाइड्रोजन, NaBH4 टोटल 4 हाइड्रोजन प्रोवाइड करवाता है, तो हमने यहाँ मॉलिक्यूल को यूज कर रखा है हाफ मॉलिक्यूल. देन 2 हाइड्रोजन, 1 हाइड्रोजन, 1 हाइड्रोजन. Why? 1 hydrogen attached with this carbon. It's a propane 2-ol molecule. Propane 2-ol means alcohol molecule will form. मैं एक बार इसको फिर से रिवाइज करवा रहा हूं, ध्यान से सुनना बेटा. Reaction of a alkene with mercuric acetate. Reaction of alkene with mercuric acetate, then intermediate of mercury will form. And this intermediate reacts with sodium borohydride and water. Then intermediate reduced in alcohol molecule and Hg also removed from there, and 2 molecule of acetic acid, or IUPAC name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid, will like as a byproduct. Like as a byproduct. It's a mercuration, demercuration, ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम कुछ इसके और मेथड है वो और पढ़ेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.